For more than 66 years, the production of wheels and casters has been our passion. We are a family-run company. Our top priority is to focus our attention on our clients, trade partners and suppliers. On all levels and functions, we operate according to the highest quality standards. The aim of our over 400 employees is to satisfy through quality and service. Our guiding principle: for better wheels and better service. In collaboration with you, our trade partners and our suppliers, we develop future solutions. Through intensive and detailed conversations, our sales team analyze your specific demands for the individual operating environment. Based on these findings and our know-how, our designers develop the best possible solution for your application. With our ultra-modern polyurethane production and mechanical assembly, we are able to deliver single pieces and small lots right up to mass-produced units. Since we hold one of the world's largest range of molds for the polyurethane production, we can offer a service that reacts flexibly and at short notice to individual customers' requirements. Professional consultation at the plant or directly at your facilities is provided by our sales teams based at 4 German subsidiaries: Hamburg, Berlin, Darmstadt and Langenfeld. Moreover, these facilities are equipped with an extensive range of wheels and casters. Services also includes the stockage and dispatch of your specific products to ensure the best possible flexibility for you.
Vielen Dank, bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.
We are represented worldwide in more than 45 countries by our international trade partners. Intensive trainings on site and at our facilities ensure not only a widespread and comprehensive knowledge base, but also professional consultation for our international customers by our partners. In order to accomplish this, they are supported by our sales team who regularly travel the globe. Assure yourself of our quality and our service. Räder-Vogel, for better wheels and better service.